start? Yes. Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, my dear friends. Today is a very interesting day for me. It is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India, and coincidentally the topic is school years. Let us today talk something interesting. It was in 11th of September. It was on 11th of September 1893. 11th of September, 9/11, 4 days after this is going to come. And on this day, a young man of 30 years shook America, shook with his bullets. Have you ever heard of this incident? No. He shook America with his bullets. And these bullets, do you think they were from this gun? No. Do you think it was from that gun? No, it was not. But, this man, his bullets, he was not punishable with his bullets. In fact, it created a different response. When his bullets were fired, thousands of people who were assembled in the hall in Chicago, the same country, America, they rose to tremendous response by clapping the hands for 2 full minutes. Can you imagine? 2 full minutes they were clapping just for 5 bullets. Yes, my dear ladies and gentlemen, I am not talking of the bullets which will harm others. I am talking of the bullets which came out of his mouth. And those bullets, the 5 bullets were sisters and brothers of America. When this man said these words, 5 bullets, sisters and brothers of America, the people over there started clapping for 2 full minutes because it was spoken from a spiritual heart, not just like that. It was from the bottom of the heart, and the people over there were inspired by these words because everybody used to call them ladies and gentlemen. And this man from the bottom, he said like this. Let us see who this man is. Oh, where is this man? This is ubiquitous. He is ubiquitous in his presence. I am telling about this man. I am telling about me. Well, this is because, I follow this man every time, consciously and unconsciously. And that is why I have kept him here. This was a man. He was born in 1863 and his name is Swami Vivekananda. It was because of providence. Providence means divine will, the God's will, that he was present in this world. He was made to born in this world. And here you see him waiting to deliver the speech, and here you see the Statue of Liberty behind. This was in Chicago on the same day. After this incident, you know what happened? The entire Americans as well as the world started becoming crazy of this man. And whenever he crossed the platform, they used to applaud. And whenever the speeches were boring, the announcer would be very quick to go to the mic and say, Swami Vivekananda would speak in a short while. And all the audience who were leaving, they would come back. That was the impression which this man had given on the Parliament of Religions. He was clearly the hero of the Parliament of Religions. You can see what accolades the people gave, the Western newspapers gave to him. See this, Prince Nayan and all those things. Even the street in which this incident happened has been named as Swami Vivekananda Way in Chicago. Now, coming to the Indians, you know Gandhi, and you know what Gandhi had to say about him? He said, my patriotism multiplied 1,000-fold when I read the readings of this man. And he also said that my life is actually a system to put into action all his messages. Tagore said, if you want to know India, please note the point, know Vivekananda. Don't you think we need to know about this man? A curious man? Yes. His life was very interesting one. It was only of 39 years and 6 months roughly. And he chose to die on the Independence Day of United States, that is on the July 4th, he was so much attached to the nation America. He was a clergyman. Clergyman means a person who preaches religion. He was very deep into meditation even at the age of 5 or 6. He collected many of his friends at this age and started meditating in a room, and all the other boys ran away because a snake entered there. And Swami did not notice this. He was deep in meditation and the snake even crawled over him and he did not notice this. Do you expect this to happen for a 5-year boy? This man, Swami Vivekananda, in his youth, he remembered the passages of so many books just like that. He took several volumes of encyclopedias. You know encyclopedia? Mm-hmm. Yes. Now it is Wikipedia. Mm-hmm. These encyclopedias, and he memorized them just like that. In one day he would return the book and the librarian wanted to check what is happening. And when he tested, Vivekananda would recite the passages as it is, verbatim. Verbatim means the exact words were used by him to tell. And he was only in public life for 9 years, 30 years to 39 years. He used to ask only one question to all the people, good people. He asked, do you know God? Have you seen him? And there was only one person who answered yes, and that was him. And he showed God to him. His message is very clear. Be and make. Whatever you want to make others, you first be that. My message is, know this man to evolve yourself. See you again. Thank you.